I'm going to switch my screen into my Adobe Express webpage with just one click, right? Oh, let's click on this. And as you would see, I'm now in Adobe Express. I'm currently logged on. And you will access the add-ons here on the left side of the panel. So if I click on that, this will enable you to easily like access all of the add-ons inside of Adobe Express. I'm just going to check with my, can you hear me loud and clear? I think, can you comment on the things, if you could just comment on one of this? Okay, so you can easily search for an add-on here. If you click on search add-on, you can easily do so. That's one of the great things that has been improved throughout the years. And if you click on the other categories for Adobe Pixels, you would see here they are recommending a lot of things such as Accessify, Pixel Enhancer. I'm going to demonstrate to you some of that later on, and some of the collections that they have right now. Okay, they have categories. Let's just jump in to Adobe Express themselves, and I'm going to check one of the recommended add-ons that is currently right now, which is this one. Let's go and check this add-on called Video FX Pro. So let's click on that. And right now, this one is already installed on my account. How did I know? It's already has an open button, but for the sake of demonstration, I'm just going to go back here, and I'm just going to choose one add-on that doesn't have like an install one. I'm just going to check. I think I installed most all of them, mostly all of them. Yeah, this one. I haven't tried this one, which is Gen Chart. So how do you install or add an add-on? It's just fairly simple. Just click on an add-on and then click on the add button here, and it doesn't take a lot of time. So if I click on that, it will automatically be like somehow installed in your account, on which you can easily click on open, and this will enable you to access the add-on already by just doing that. Okay? Thanks, Dane. Thanks for the comment. I appreciate you being here on this session. Okay, so that is how you install an add-on. That's how easy it is. That's how simple it is. Okay, let's go into our add-on that I said recently, which is, what's the name of that? I forgot. Okay. Let's go back here and let's go to Video FX Pro.